class cars of 2022. Euro NCAP announces the winners from 2022, the safety organization's busiest ever year. These are the cars that achieved the highest overall scores, based on their results for Adult Occupant Protection, Child Occupant Protection, Vulnerable User Protection and Safety Assist Technologies. For the very first time, this list includes 2 cars from Tesla and 2 Chinese newcomers to the European market. These results underline the importance of the Euro NCAP 5-star rating for establishing safety, credibility, and quality in the European market for vehicle manufacturers in Europe, but also beyond Europe's borders. The winners are the following. Hyundai IONIQ 6 wins the Best in Class award in the large family car category, the ORA Funky Cat in the small family car category, Tesla Model S in the executive car category, Tesla Model Y in the small off-roader category, and finally WEY Coffee 01 in the large off-roader category 1.
Thank you for watching this video presented by Cars and SUVs. If you enjoyed it, please give a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, take a look at our video suggestions or what is up next.